Hello, happy Monday, awesome resellers. I'm going to post videos every Monday instead of Sunday night because I need to have my rest on Sunday. So the first item that I purchased was these Topshop boots, and I had purchased these on website. I believe it was belk.com or maybe Nordstrom Rack clearance. I had these for like almost a year or so. Sometimes retail new with tag doesn't sell right away because you're buying things at a higher price point. You're selling them at a higher price point. If you're a busy mom and you do not have time to thrift, or you do not have time to just go to garage sales on the weekends, then you could always buy things online. I believe I sold that for $50. Then I got this Topshop jeans, and I got this at the bins. The bins is basically like the Goodwill outlet, and there's one near the border of Mexico, and everything is really dirt cheap. I'm talking about like 40 cents to $1. I think I paid $1 for this because it's kind of heavier, and I sold them on Poshmark, the app that I have on my Instagram link in my bio. And Topshop's jeans, I usually don't pick it up, but I was just like, it's inexpensive, so I went ahead and bought that, and I believe it sold for $20, and Poshmark took its 20% cut, and I bought it for like $1 or $2, so I was totally fine with that. And that is actually the reselling that I recommend the most, is to buy things at the bins, buy them for 50 cents to $1, sell them for 30 to 20, and just rinse and repeat. Then I have what I have my popularity for, is being a Zara queen seller. So basically I went to the Zara sale, and I really am happy to do this video because I have things like the bins, I have online arbitrage, and then I have retail arbitrage. So this skirt I bought for $19.99, and I sold it, I believe, for $75. So you realize, you know, $19.99 is very high for somebody that buys things for 50 cents. So you do what's best for you. But the reason why this one sold is because I went to 6 Zara stores, and only one had this one. So imagine, it's pretty popular. It might be something where it's the special edition Zara, but I might not have. Then I went ahead and bought and sold these boots. These boots retail for $99.90. I bought it online for I believe $39.99. Actually, I bought it in the store for $39.99, and it sold for $70. And Poshmark takes its 20% cut. But $39.99, I could have bought a ton of, you know, thrifted items. But you know, I have my niche, and I stick to my niche. So that's size 6.5. Bigger sizes are better. And then I bought this, and this is where everybody thinks I'm getting things for like super dirt cheap. This was last season Zara. So this, I sold this for $50. I bought this like 2 years ago, or 1 year ago, and imagine having this in my inventory for 2 years before it sold for the money that I wanted to. I bought it for $5.99, and that's ridiculous. That was probably the last day of the Zara sale 2 years ago for $5.99, sold for $50. So I don't always pay $5.99, $7.99. I only post that on my Instagram because everybody likes to see like this huge sale I made. Sometimes I pay anywhere from $50 to $80 for my items. This dress I bought at Zara sale, just current sale right now, and it sold for $50. And it says $45.99, but it's cheaper when they rung it up. So sometimes you can't trust their red tag because they were too busy and they weren't able to change the price point. So just make sure you always check. Then I bought this at, these are earrings, and the reason why these sold is because there's a designer that makes earrings that are like this, but it's not a replica. It's just, it looks similar, but it's something that I picked up at like, like Fashion Go or Fashion Stop, one of those stores. And I sold them on Poshmark. And then I have this beautiful dress. I was going to keep it actually. And this dress is the tie-dye Zara dress. And it's hard to find online or in the store. And I sold it on eBay for $79. And I purchased it for $22. And it actually sold on Mercari. And I had to cancel on Mercari. Don't do that. That's really bad. What you have to do is when you sell on multiple platforms, you have to take it off the platform right after it sells, because if you wait a day, like somebody might buy it. And this is a really beautiful dress. And then I also wanted to let my followers know, because everybody sees me posting, I get all these Zara items for $5.99, $7.99, and that's not always the case. And I get a lot of customers that say that was in the store for $9.99, but I don't always buy it at the lowest price point. So I want to give you an example and proof. I'm not always trying to like be evil or something. This dress I bought for $49.99, and everybody keeps going on my Poshmark closet saying that dress is for $35. Why are you pricing it so high? It's because I didn't buy it at the first price point. I bought it at the second price point, so I did not pay $69.90. I did actually at one point last year buy this for $69.90 for myself, and I sold it for like $99. But this was sold to me at $49.90 because I buy items in the beginning of the sale, because usually the size small and medium is sold out. So sometimes even this boot, I bought this on Zara's website for $50. And so you can't always think that I'm buying things for $7.99, $9.99, $9.99, because that's on my Instagram, because you don't know what's going on behind the scenes. So I just want you to know that for every $50 Zara item I bought, I could have bought $25 25 thrifted items at $2 each and made $10 off of the 25 items or more, and made $250 profit, versus bought this for $35 and sold it for $75 and make like 20 bucks. So 20 bucks or 30 bucks versus $200, that's better. But I have a reputation for my niche, so I still do it. But honestly, it's always about profit margin. It's not about gross sales. Everybody posts like, I sold $500, I sold $10,000 this month. But many sellers don't say, I sold $10,000, but I bought $8,000 worth of inventory and I only made $2,000 profit. So you have to pay attention to that. Profit margin is very different from gross sales. So I just want to let you know, the inside information, and I hope that you make the best decision for your family and your friends. And I hope this helps somebody. I would always recommend that whatever sales are going on, to go at the end of the sale, because that's when they're going to give you the lowest price point possible. But if you have a lot of capital and you want to get the more rare items and do the slower sale and price it high and get the more popular size, you could do that too. But I just want you to know the different opportunities that are available so you can make the best decision. So please like, subscribe. I'm on Instagram, Bunch of Styles. I have a Facebook group called Christian Bunch of Styles Reselling Group, and I'm just all over the map because I really want to bless everybody and help everyone to do really well. I think this is a perfect job for somebody that hates the 9-to-5, that wants to stay home with their kids, that have maybe a mental condition or a physical disability and they just want to stay at home, or people that just want to be very entrepreneurial and take risks. This is so amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.